What's up, Bulls? I'm Jessica, and this is News in 90. To be competitive, it's important for students to build their resume and learn new skills. To help, USF offers lots of opportunities for students to get certified in something new.
So I actually have a few certifications. The main ones that Campus Rec offers are through ACE. A certification definitely helps you be more confident in your ability to teach these different classes. When you are taught by someone who formerly works in this field, you can be more confident in your anatomy, your physiology, and the questions that patrons might approach you with.
More departments on campus are also offering certifications in order to help students in their career field.
At the Zimmerman School of Advertising and Mass Communications, one professor is teaching students how they can become certified in flying and operating drones.
We can all get on the ground with a camera. Everyone can't get in the air. Being able to fly in the air with a drone puts you ahead of the person who can only do things on the ground. And that's what we're here to do, is to give opportunities to students to make them an asset to a given company upon graduation.
Make sure you come and visit the Digital Media Commons in the library. Here they have certifications for all majors in Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. If you're interested, check the library website for upcoming registration. I'm Rolynn Wilson with News in 90.
Take advantage of the incredible certifications available to you as a student. I'm Jessica Barron with Housing and Residential Education. We are the best place to live, best place to work, and the best place to learn. Until next time, go Bulls!